Renardi from 10 Science 1. So in today's video, I will show you how I make greetings card for English assignment. So I'm making this. This is a birthday card for my father because my father's birthday is in November. And yeah, let's just see how I make this card in this video. Thank you. The first thing I do in this video is I'm making the pop-up cake with a cardboard. First of all, you should measure and cut the cardboard into 4 rectangles. So we are making 2 pieces of 12 by 6 cm rectangles, an 11 by 8 cm rectangles, and a 10 by 4 cm rectangle. Moving on, take the 11 by 8 cm cardboard and cut it into a triangle. Take the 10 by 4 cm cardboard and fold it. And then fold both of the 12 by 6 cm cardboard carefully. Now that we have finished shaping the 4 rectangles earlier, we can start combining these 4 parts into a cake. Please combine the cake with a strong glue so that the cake won't separate easily from the other part. In the process of combining them, don't forget to trim the cake shape again by cutting off the excess part. It will make your cake look a lot prettier than before. This is the final look of my pop-up cake. Prepare a carton and cut the carton according to the size of the cover of the greetings card. This carton will be used to glue the pop-up cake. After cutting it, fold the carton into the shape of the cover. Do not forget to cut the excess part of the carton. Now glue the pop-up cake right in the middle of the curtain. The next step is to make this cake looks pretty by decorating it. You can decorate the cake however you want. Maybe you can use another cardboard, another curtain, or some glitters, or maybe color papers and anything. Take a same size cardboard as the cover and decorate it. We will use this one to write a message to the receiver of this card. Now let's take the cover of the card and decorate it. You can add some decorations too to the pop-up part or the message part of the card other than the cover. However, just do the finishing steps. Now that we already finished decorating the three parts of this greetings card, let's combine the three parts of it, the cover part, the pop-up cake parts, and also the message part, into a beautiful greeting card. Insert the final greetings card into an envelope and decorate the envelope if you want. Finally, this birthday card already finished. This is the final look of my greetings card. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.